How to see all blocked contacts on iPhone and manage them. To view and manage blocked contacts on your iPhone, follow these steps. First of all you have to do is open the Settings app on your iPhone. Now inside the settings, scroll down till the bottom and there you will get to see Apps option available. Tap on it. Inside Apps, scroll down again and tap on the Phone option available there. Now inside the Phone app, scroll down and under the phone settings you will get to see blocked contacts. Tap on it and this will show you a list of all contacts and numbers you have blocked. To manage blocked contacts or simply to unblock someone, you can long press on the contact and slide it to the left side. Then you can see unblock option available there. Simply tap on the unblock and unblock the contact. Or you can also tap on the edit option available at the top right corner of your screen. Then the red minus icon next to the number or contact you want to unblock. Then simply tap on it. Then tap unblock. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.